Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So here you can see a live proof how I got this sticker in my Instagram account. So basically to get this sticker, the first and the very basic thing you need to do you need to update your Instagram application. Okay, and after updating your application, even if it is not available for you, then don't worry, still now this is on testing, and right now this is available for only a bigger creator. Like I have around 350k followers on Instagram, and I have this in my account. So currently this feature is available only for a bigger creator and or 10% of Instagram user. So if you don't have, just wait for a few days, soon you will get this feature. So now I will show you on my mobile screen like how this feature actually work and how can you use this feature on your Instagram. So first of all, open your Instagram application. Now I will select any story. So I will select any photo here, for example. Okay, so I will select this one. Here you can see, if I will minimize, the link option has been removed from here. You can see the link option is not here. So for example, here you can see, I will click on this sticker here, and you can see the sticker as link. After clicking on this, you can paste a link whatever you wanted to post. For example, I have posted a link of my YouTube channel. I will click on done. So here you can see this link has been added. So now I will post this story. This is just a dummy story I wanted to show you. Okay, so now it is posted. So whenever someone will open my Instagram story, okay, and if they will click on this one, this will visit the link of my YouTube channel. Here you can see. So this is how you can use a link now even if you don't have a 10k subscriber. So I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you.